guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I want to make soft mandazi, soft mini sweet mandazi. And here I have cardamons. I've just removed them from the outer thing, and mixed with a little bit of sugar, and then I grounded it. And I have my margarine, I have my 2 eggs, it's optional, there's sugar, and then we have milk. You can also use water, it's optional. And here I'll start by mixing it. I'll put first the cardamons, and then I'll mix it. And the flour, my flour here, it's self-rising flour. I've used 2 cups of the flour, so I'm using the self-rising flour, but you can as well use the other one, the other normal flour, whereby you'll just have to add baking powder. But here I'm using self-rising. There's no need of adding baking powder. And then I'll add sugar. I'll use 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to use the milk. I'm going to mix it with milk. You can use milk, you can use water, the one that you are suitable with. And this dough is supposed to be soft, so I'll continue adding the milk to get a soft dough. dough. Now it's now ready, and you can see the black in my dough, like this one. This is cardamom. You just leave it like that. It does not have any problem as long as you can eat it. It does not have any problem. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and leave it for a period of 10 minutes, and then after that, it's when that I'll proceed. I'll just cover it with the cling film, and then leave it for a period of 10 minutes, and then we'll proceed from there. Okay, now our dough is ready, but I'm going to use this surface. Since I'm using this surface, I've just applied a little bit of oil, and then also on that, and our dough is ready. I'm going to transfer it here. I want to roll it. Your dough is supposed to be soft. You can see mine is soft. Now I want to roll it so that I can be able to make the mandazis. The reason why I'm applying the oil on my surface, so that when I'm rolling it, it will not stick on this surface. As you can see, the surface is still very clean, so it helps so that it does not stick. Here I just dip them in the hot oil. Now from here, to just cut it. To make the pieces. Yeah, I like this kind of small mandazis, like these ones. I'm just cutting them into pieces, and then from here we'll just dip them in the hot oil. Okay, now as you can see, the oil is ready. I want to dip mandazi here. Okay, now it's now ready, as you can see. Okay, now the mandazis are ready, as you can see. And then when I cut it here, it's all cooked. You can try the recipe. It's a very simple recipe, and then you'll be able to see the results. Kindly continue subscribing, like, and also comment, and also you can share. Until next time, bye.